Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Look at that mulch bed. Isn't it wonderful? Great job. Okay, today is the day I resurface the concrete steps. Gonna fill in these spots first with Quikrete concrete patcher up here. This is routine. This is like something I do every year now. I need some stronger cement. I'll figure it out one day, but until then, I'll use what I got. Don't forget, I'll do a partial resurface of the walkway, fill this stuff up. I think it'll look nice. Look at my new addition. Beautiful, isn't it? Great job. This stuff will fill in. Don't worry about it. That was a great move. Here are my weapons of choice, folks. Got the Quikrete vinyl patcher. Forgot to mention the vinyl earlier. That's vinyl patcher. Buckets, sponge, trowels, water. You guys know I'm ready. I'm ready. This sprayer is horrible. Yeah, something's not right. The water isn't flowing out of the sprayer like it should. The vinyl patcher comes in plastic. You'll notice that when you open up the container. I'll pour some in this Menards bucket. I have water on standby in a water bucket. So what I do is just pour a little at a time, and then I'll use a trowel to mix it until I get the consistency that I want. This is fairly easy. I want it to be as thick as peanut butter, if you know what I mean. I need a little more vinyl patcher. This is too soupy, so I got my trowel ready, and I'll just add more to the mix. 2 more scoops, and now this is exactly how I want it, and I'll be able to spread it soon. This is working out just fine. I'll let this sit for several minutes. Meanwhile, I'll get my sprayer. Let me get up. I'll get my sprayer and I'll spray this first step with water. You have to do that so that the mix will bond well with whatever area you're going to resurface. You know what the problem was with the sprayer? Nothing. Nothing at all. It's just me. I was the problem. This sprayer is good. Now I'll take some mix and fill these cracks. Nothing to it. There are so many ways to smooth this out. Let me show you. Experts, don't kill me, but this helps me. You may not recommend this rubbery floating trowel, but it helps me do the job. I really like it. It's easy to use. However, my favorite tool, it's not really a tool, it's a sponge, but this has to be like the #1 asset you can use when it comes to resurfacing. This thing smooths out the concrete, helps spread it. It does an amazing job, especially if you're a beginner. Look at that. When you're doing steps and you have to do the rise, you know the difference between the rise and the run. Well, this is the rise. And this trowel is golden. It's worth, again, every penny. Keep a bucket on standby filled with water so you can clean your tools. And again, folks, this floating trowel, rubbery trowel, it just helps me spread the concrete mix evenly. Really does. Great tool. You can also use it on the rise as well. Although the floating rubbery trowel helps you get into corners better, I just think the sponge is ideal, especially for beginners, guys. Pick your poison, but you can't go wrong with either. Got a little ways to go. I'll come down and fill this area in too. You know what, guys? It's like spreading peanut butter on sandwich bread. You'll get used to it. And consider your sponges and trowels to be the knives you would use to spread that peanut butter. All right, got some spots. I'll take care of those. Just want to finish this up. Phase 1 complete. What do you guys think? So far, so good? Leave your comments in the comment section. What about this top step? Oh yeah, filled in that crack. Looks nice. Let's move on. Hours later, the sun is out. It's hot. The vinyl patcher has almost dried, or completely dried due to high temps. All right, very much improved, very much. I like the results, I really do. This is gonna turn out great once I'm finished. I brought the big boys out, 5-gallon buckets, squeegee, brooms. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Can't mix this top and bond without my paddle. Got the rigid out, and there's the Sakrete top and bond, my secret weapon. Even a bucket on standby to clean the mixing paddle. I always start with this first step. I use the sprayer to wet it. Keep this in mind, and I should have shared this with you earlier. Don't soak the area you plan on resurfacing. In addition, keep a sprayer on standby just in case you put the mix down too thick. To simply put it, you have to find that balance. Okay, I have to make a run. This stuff should be okay here. I'll be back. Nice. I think 2 layers will be perfect. What do you think? Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.